Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change image quality on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. To change the image quality, let's open the camera app, and in camera let's select photo mode at the bar below. Then tap the arrow icon right here to open additional settings. Here let's go to settings by tapping the gear icon, then open picture quality menu and select either high, standard or low picture quality depending on which one you would like to capture. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.